Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a great song from Maria Becerra. It's called Adios. Alright, so it goes in 3 chords, same order through the entire song. So we'll learn the chords, we will play bar chords for this one, and without any capo. So let's start this one up. So let's go for the A minor first. You will have it here barred on the 5th fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 7th on A and 7th on D. The next chord will be G. You place your bar now on the 3rd fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 5th on A, 5th on D, and 4th on G. And then finally we have the D minor. Bar now on the 5th fret again, this time without the E string here, so 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then the rest will be 7th on D, 7th on G, and 6th on the B string. And the reason for we're playing the bar chords is because we want these high notes. So I'm gonna go over the notes here, the melody, and we'll try to break that down first and see if we can kind of build in this part of this melody into the strumming. So the melody starts here with the A minor. It goes like this. Okay, so if you hold the chord as it is, it will be 5th on E in top string, then 5th on B, and 5th on G. Then a short pause, and then it goes down to 5th B, and finally 5th E. So, alright, and then you go over to the next chord, the G, and you're gonna play this part. Alright, so hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play 3rd on E string in the top, then 3rd on the B string, and 4th on G. And then you have a pause there, and then you play the same part again, 3rd on E, 3rd on B, and 4th on G, and short pause, and then 3rd on B and 3rd on E. So the G was and then you go to the final chord, the D minor, hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play. So that will be 6th on B string, then 7th on G, and 7th on D. And that will end this melody here. So A minor, G, G, D minor. Alright, now we will learn the strumming pattern, and it goes like this for A minor, for all the other chords, but we'll start with A minor. Down, up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. That is 1 round, so a couple rounds. So the song goes through entire song here, A minor 2 rounds, then G 4 rounds, and D minor 2 rounds. So with the strumming, just like this. 1, 2, G, 2, 3, 4, and D minor 2, and back again. 1, 2, A minors and G. So now we can try to build in a couple of these notes into the strumming. So for A minor, you can try to hit these 3 notes, the 5th E, 5th B, and 5th G. So you do that in the first down, sorry, on the up, you play on the first down, you emphasize the 5th fret E string, this one. And then on the way up, you try to perhaps, if you can, hit the 5th fret B string. And then comes a clap in between, and then the down. Final down, you hit the 5th fret G string. So slowly, something like this. Okay, and you will of course hit other strings than just the actual notes. But if you have that with you in your mind, that you have these 3 notes where you have them, and then it will be that much easier to try to nail them a couple of times at least, so it will be somewhat of a melody built in here. It's not easy, but it's doable, so like this. So that's the A minor. The G, the same principle there. You will hit the down on the first note there, the 3rd fret E string. Then the up on the 3rd fret B string. Then comes a clap, and then on the final down you hit the 4th fret G string. So down, up, clap, down. So that's how you work with the G, and then the final chord, of course, the same way here, the D minor. Now it goes on these 3 notes there, the 6th fret on the B string, that's the first down. Then the up, it comes here on the 7th G, and then clap, and then the final down on the 7th D. So like that. So. Yeah, so have that with you and go through this song here. Start to practice the strumming and the chords and the progressions there. And once you have that, go for these notes. And that pretty much covers Maria Becerra's Adios. So that's what I'm gonna say. Thank you for this time, and yeah, play tuned.